Today I want to talk about the one best accessories to get for your GoPro Hero. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alan Gadgets. This is the mount from Ulanzi that I'm going to talk about, which I think is the best accessory that you should get for your GoPro Hero. I use my action camera in various situations, mainly in activities like cycling, hiking and climbing, and in other situations where it's non-activity, where I mount it on a tripod to do maybe a video or a time lapse. One of the reasons that I will reach out for my DJI Action instead of a GoPro Hero is because of the magnetic mounting plate, which makes it very convenient and easy to engage and disengage. And now with this Ulanzi 5-in-1 mount, it makes things much easier for GoPro Hero user. Now I can use it together with the GoPro Hero and the DJI Action camera using the same magnetic base. And from time to time, I would want to mount my Hero on a tripod, a regular Accra Shift compatible camera tripod, especially with the Hero 12 now comes with loads of features on the night video and photography. This would be the best option to try out those features and functions. Ulanzi also have another similar mount that is lighter in weight and has a thinner profile. Basically, it's a 3-in-1 instead of 5. What I'm going to show you today is the 5-in-1 version. So to list it off, there are 5 possible mounting choices in this 5-in-1 mount. So that's it. A very simple introduction to the 5-in-1 Ulanzi mounting plate for the GoPro Hero. I hope you like this video, and if you find it interesting, do click on the like button and share. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and send some love to the counter over there. And don't forget to click on the bell button for notification for future video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!